Are you trying to get found more in Google for the services that your small business offers? Because in this video, I'm going to talk about a new information that Google just released to help businesses get found more for the services that they offer locally. This is going to work for you even if you have no SEO experience, even if you've never done anything related to creating visibility for your business online. This is a simple, straightforward tip. And even if you're not technical, I'm going to show you simple and easy how to take advantage of this new information Google just released to tell local businesses how to get found better for their services. Let's jump right in. First off, check this out. I am on the Google Support Business Answers section. This is where they release new information for businesses about things that have changed and tips in their algorithm. So you can see right here, a detailed service list helps your customers find what they're looking for, understand pricing, and make informed decisions. This enhances your online presence and drives business growth. That's Google's way of saying it's going to help you rank better and get more clicks and more customers. But what do they mean by a detailed service list? That's a bit confusing, right? All right, so I'm going to jump over to my Google Business Profile. Now, you do need a Google Business Profile. Hopefully you've already got one, and hopefully that's how you've ended up on my channel. If you're always trying to figure out how to make your Google Business Profile get you found more by customers, click below to like and subscribe for more great tips and videos because I've got a lot on this topic. I'm going to go to my Google Business Profile first, and then I'm going to go right over here to Edit Services. Now, when I do this, I'm going to get this prompt to add more services. And here's where the big mistake happens. A lot of businesses will then go in and say, okay, this is a pretend rental business. So I'm just going to put in, let's just say, inflatable kids attraction rentals, right? There we go, save. And now I think I've added my services to my profile and they'll show up as services. And I did, but here's what Google's saying. That's sneaky Google. They're over here saying a detailed service list helps your customers find what they're looking for, helps customers find you, enhances your online presence, better SEO, drives business growth. Thanks, Google. So what does that mean I have to do? I have to actually take the next step, and I'll show you from the start. Go to my services, and now you can see that these are hyperlinked. So now I can click in, and here's what Google's talking about. Free, fixed price from, let's just say I do inflatable rentals from $250. We got to charge that setup fee. Service description. What do I actually do for inflatable kids attraction rentals, right? So I'm just going to go over here to ChatGPT and to create something for this. Explain what I do for, right? But you should actually make this yourself, or you could use ChatGPT. That's fine if it gives you the right thing. Oh, check this out. Now I've got details, right? Here we go. Let me jump back over. Service description. Oh, boom. That was right over 300. So there we go. We rent inflatable attractions for kids, parties, and events, from bounce houses and obstacle courses, right? Whatever it is for you. Now I click save. Look at all that information. Whoops, can't put the two. Look at all that information that I just described for my business. Do you see all those details? That is going to help build keywords and visibility for somebody looking for the service of somebody who's offering inflatable kids attraction rentals, which I now am. Not really. This is a made up profile, but theoretically I am. If you want to get found more for your services, don't guess at it. Google's telling you go in and add those services and add details and descriptions of those services, and Google's going to help boost your business for more visibility and get you found by the right customers. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe and stay tuned because we got more great videos on how to add keywords and optimize your profile in all the ways to get found by more local customers. Catch you in the next video.